The coronavirus emergency. Financial markets around the world rocked overnight amid new concerns about the spread of the virus.
The federal government now urging all Australians to avoid overseas travel.
5 people dead now in Italy, and the hunt is on for patient zero.
Schools are closed and people have been warned to avoid large gatherings.
For some, it is proving difficult, with many countries already shutting their borders.
And as officials and health experts fight to contain the virus in Europe, it continues its spread around the world.
I think it's ridiculous. I think it's putting more people at risk.
The government's kind of advised people to stay inside, to wear masks.
And that's just it, isn't it? Every day we're not quite sure what's happening.
Fear and hope bring the same level of emotions, we just choose to give them different names and add meaning to it. No matter what side you're on, we can all agree that this is a big social awakening for the world. I have one question. Who are you going to be for this world? You have a chance to move. Don't move backwards. This doesn't have to be a crisis. This could be a unity.